The infamous stuck rim problem on a 2015 Chevy Silverado. What I've done to get mine broke loose is I have used some penetrating oil in between the rim and the disc, the brake disc, and I kind of pried on it a little bit, but the prying didn't seem to do much. I tried like a sledgehammer, that didn't do too much, and I was trying not to damage my rim. So what I did was I took and loosened up my lug nuts all. So I left them on, you know, probably a good 5, 6, 7 threads. And then I just jacked the truck up and then dropped it down really fast. And I did that a couple of times, and I've gotten this one to break loose now. I just gotta get the other one broke loose, but just a tip. That seemed to work pretty good.